So with that being said, I want to go ahead and say definitely looks really, really good.
I can never ever find the right words, and there's no way this is real life. There's no telling you're the right girl, so I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right. It feels right, it feels right. Yeah, I can only say that it feels right.
Head in and out, grab some grub, and then get some boba or whatever. I'm gonna watch this GT350 right here, do some dumb shit. Oh my god! So he was about to burn right now, but there's a cop right there in the freaking drive-thru. There you go. Look, see, that's how you're supposed to do it. I mean, I wouldn't do it that much, but yeah, basically.
I think it's the same amount.
Splash it into your camera or what?
Damn.
No.
It's not the same amount. You get more on that one. No. I mean, I wouldn't open it up that much. I usually do like halfway. Yeah, like that. And then you fill it up.
2. The third one?
There it is. There it is.
You might be right.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys the carbon fiber piecing that we have right now. So we have all of this done, this is done, this is done, this is done, all this is done, and we just did that one right now, and we did this. So we're gonna go ahead and actually put this last piece on right here, and this chunk that goes on to right here. As well as, I guess they just did come out with a new piece for this, so I don't know about that. But as of right now, we're gonna go ahead and just apply this one and that one. Like I said, last night was kind of a bust for the most part. We had a good time, we ate and everything else, but after that we ended up just going home. So we're just gonna go ahead and heat it up again right here at this bottom piece. I'm not really too worried about the steering wheel, in all honesty. I plan on going with a full carbon fiber steering wheel from the same company. And it's sticking on really good. But anyways, yeah, I'm planning on going with a full carbon fiber steering wheel, but obviously those cost a good chunk of change. We're looking at probably $900 or so. You could get like $700 one, which is just a carbon fiber steering wheel, but I do want to get the display one that actually has a display right here in the middle, like probably about yay big, and actually has the rev lights on both sides. So just by heating it up, it's sticking on really good. All right guys, so honestly don't really know how this is gonna come out. I have it on the GoPro 6 above my head. GoPro 8 is actually inside, and it's, regardless, it's actually full with a lot of things that I need to pull off from the last few nights. So we're gonna go ahead and pull off the good old-fashioned 3M right here, and we're gonna go ahead and try to apply this. So it actually has a gap right here, as you guys can go ahead and see. This gap is actually for the sink, since I have the sink model. It does come with an extra chunk that I already took off. This little chunk right here if you didn't have it. So basically that tells me is that the door jamb that I had in my last video, that one was meant for something that I don't have apparently. And there we have it. It looks really good placed in. We have obviously the normal gaps that are supposed to be there, the edges right here. Same thing as right here, up here. It's kind of hard to see with that display. Let me just turn that off. So this right here, these gappage, it's kind of the same thing that we have right here. So I'll say right now, the heating up definitely does help out a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and just heat it all up, make sure it gets nice and stuck on there. And then we're gonna go ahead and actually do this little piece right here. Now this is a big old chunk right here, but this is very simple, and I just hope there's no gap issues because there's something so big like this. But I'm pretty sure it should fit good. I'm gonna be completely honest. This stays open 98% of the time anyway, so not that big of a deal. Kind of just warm it up a little bit, and there we have it. ahead and warm it up a little bit more. Alright, so back on my iPhone. Again, that was the GoPro 6 that I tried to do the installation. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's probably because I didn't use it. I don't know how the quality came out in all honesty. So with that being said, I want to go ahead and say definitely looks really, really good. The lighting is very poor in here, so it's not really giving it justice. Again, I will go ahead and ask him about that crack, but again, not really tripping at all because I do want to get the steering wheel. So huge plans in the future for that. But other than that, full carbon fiber interior, so really happy with it. Shout out to Wolf's Carbon for helping me out and definitely giving me right direction, and I cannot wait to do some work with them in the future. So with that being said, really appreciate you guys watching this video. If you made it this far, go ahead and like it and actually subscribe. It really helps out a lot. Drop a comment down below of what you want to see in the future. I have a lot of stuff going on, so stay tuned. A lot of craziness. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out, guys.